Hi, and welcome to a new natural home remedy video. Before we start, please subscribe to our channel and activate the new video's notifications bell.
Ginger and lemon, a perfect combination for weight loss. Ginger is a well-known root around the world for all of its health properties, especially as an anti-inflammatory and for its gastric properties that assist the digestive system. This root is used as a slimming formula because its properties promote weight loss. Not only does it improve digestive functions, but it also has a thermogenic effect that helps activate the metabolism, making it a potent fat and calorie burner. On the other hand, lemon is another one of the big, powerful medicines that promote health in different ways. It too is considered a natural thinning agent. Its vitamin C content turns it into a very effective antioxidant that promotes waste elimination from the body, fights fluid retention, helps detoxify the body, and contributes to a reduction in abdominal swelling. How is it possible to lose weight with ginger and lemon? Keeping in mind that both ingredients have properties that promote fat and waste elimination from the body, these two together are considered to be a potent natural slimming formula that can help complement your weight loss diet. I'm sure you had never imagined that you could prepare both of these ingredients together and with such a unique purpose. But now you'll know a little bit more about the versatility of these two ingredients for various different recipes. You can lose weight naturally and get good results with these recipes. Ginger lemon and ginger tea. One way of combining these two ingredients in order to use their properties is to make a tea. The steps are simple, and you're going to love its delicious taste. What should you do? Heat 1 cup of water and remove it from heat once it's boiling. Once the water is ready, add a small slice of ginger and let it steep for 5 minutes covered. Once the 5 minutes is up, add the juice from 1 lemon and drink. It's best to drink this tea before breakfast. Ginger and lemon lemonade. This delicious lemonade combines the classic recipe that we all know with the power of ginger. This makes it healthier and will allow for more weight loss. What should you do? Prepare the lemonade as you normally do, not using refined sugar for sweetening. Afterward, add a teaspoon of grated ginger, and if you would also like, add a few well-diced cabbage leaves. This will strengthen the detoxifying effect. Drink once ready, preferably before breakfast. Ginger and lemon dressing. This is a wonderful alternative for enjoying the benefits of ginger and lemon together. You don't need to make a juice or a tea in order to enjoy them. What should you do? Peel a handful of ginger and then mix with the juice from 1 lemon. Add this dressing to your favorite salads and enjoy. Thank you for watching. Please share this video with your Facebook and Twitter friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Thank you for watching. Take some time to see our other videos. Leave your comments and questions below, and don't forget to share your results. If you haven't subscribed, please do it now. And don't forget to click on the little bell below to receive notifications of new videos.